Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. This is Project Ford. Well, I just got done taking the Escape for a test ride.
It's the Explorer. I had the Escape on my mind.
And
this
I smelled
also the conclusion.
a pretty hot brake. You know what hot brakes smell like when you smell them. And it was on the driver rear. So I did a quick inspection. I pulled the tire off and I checked to make sure. And the caliper is still locked on the rotor. And it should release. So it's telling me now I've got a bad caliper. That also may explain why those lug nuts loosened up. Because if you've got a constant heat up, cool down on that hub, you're also heating and loosening or expanding and contracting the studs. So I don't know how long that's been, but that would explain to me why I got caught behind the magnet for the camera. I don't know. Things just amaze me sometimes. Tighten down the axle. Because now you're crushing the washers. Okay. Alright. And there you go. That's what it takes. Now the next thing is to get it bled. And I'm going to have the wife come out and help me do that. But other than that, that's what it takes. And if you want to adjust the parking brake, you got to put a hole in that in your vacuum plate back here, and then you can get to that. And that's what that takes. So you'll need you'll need a 15 on the hose bolt, and then a 10. 10. Yeah, 10's on your caliper mounting bolts. And then slide those in. And don't forget to pump your brakes a couple times after you've done your brakes. Because if you don't, you're not going to have them when you roll out the door. So it won't be so bad if you've got your fronts, but the only problem is you're still going to go to the floor because your piston is still expanding out here. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and definitely subscribe. Just click on the DC down there, and we'll catch you on the next Project Ford. Just to get a quick prep, go ahead and you can go ahead and open up the bleed screw, and then get some fluid rolling through there. You're gonna want to get a hose, plastic hose, and then you're gonna want to use the wrench tighten and untighten. So make sure you got plenty of brake fluid, because you're gonna need it, and then go from there. And of course, when you bleed, this is the furthest brake caliper from the master cylinder. So this is where you'd always start when you do a full brake bleed anyway. Start from here and go all the way around. So in this case, we're in good shape, because it is the farthest one. Alright, so that's the pre I actually have a preset up here already. So it's actually a siphon machine. Anyway, so it'll start things off. Anyway, so using larger systems the whole time. All right. Right in there. All right. Puppy. Manual gravity until the wife gets out here to pump on that pedal for me. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely click on the DC to subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next Project Ford. Done. It's only 20 degrees out, or 17 degrees out. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
You.
Freeze it. I'm ready. Let's get this done so I can go back in the house.
Okay, push her down. Slow. All the way down?
Yeah.
Okay, let it up. Back down.
Yep.
Okay. Back up. Back down.
Yep.
Okay. Back up. Okay, back down.
Yeah.
Back up. Okay, one more time. Back down.
Yep.
Okay, back up. Okay. Back down.
Said one more time.
I know. One more time.
Yeah.
It's down.
Uh-huh.
Back up. Back down.
Oh, Jesus. Yep.
Alright. Okay, back up. Back up. Yep. Okay. Don't push down. Going anywhere?
Well, yeah, but not really.
Okay, back up.
Did.
Okay. Okay, back down.
It's down.
It's down. Okay. Back up.
Oh.
Very nice. Alrighty.
Some question.
Yes, dear.
You know these pedals are adjustable, right?
Right.
Okay.
No, it's got nothing. Yeah, it's just that's a comfort for you. So I want to make sure the brake pedal's loose. Let go, and we are. Go push down pedal again.
I did.
How's it feel?
It feels like it's a brake pedal.
Okay. Okay, release.
I did.
Okay. Alrighty. We are
I
done.
always have to push the brake pedal a little bit
Okay.
anyway.
Well, yeah. No, I just want to make sure everything's walking away.
It's not going down like it did in the beginning.
Well,
It
no.
just goes like this. I usually have to do that.
Yeah, and then of course once you.
Because if you're slamming on your brakes, which I don't be done with me,
Fine. No, not really.
huh?
No, not really.
Oh, things from my car
What?
that you're kneeling on? That gray?
No.
Floor mat? Alright.
No trip.
Well, God, I hope not.
Alright, here we are. We're almost done here. Let's put the tire back on. And we're set to rock and roll finally. Need that anymore. Make sure it's tight. Okay. All tighter on that. We're good to go. Away now. And that was I used a 3/8 on that bleeder screw. So, everybody's asking. Okay. Attention. Sliders. Okay. Alright. I'm happy. That's good for that. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Click on the DC. And you'll catch me on more Project Ford because I will. I can't get away from it.